That notification means you've earned real money on TikTok. And now it's time to get it into your bank account first. You need to open the TikTok app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the 3 lines or the Hamburger Menu at the top of your profile page to open the Settings and Creator Tools from the menu that slides out. Select Creator Tools. Inside Creator Tools, you will see an option called Balance or TikTok Creator Fund. Tap on this to view your current earnings and withdrawal options. On your balance page, you'll see your total available funds. Look for the Withdraw button, usually at the bottom of the screen, and tap on it to start the process. TikTok typically offers a couple of withdrawal methods, most commonly PayPal or direct bank transfer. Choose the option that works best for you. You'll now be prompted to enter your payment details. If you chose PayPal, you'll link your account email for a bank transfer. You'll need your account and routing numbers. Double-check everything for accuracy. After entering your details, review the withdrawal amount and the information one last time, then confirm and submit your request. And that's it. Your withdrawal request is now processing. It can take a few business days for the funds to appear in your account. So just be patient. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you access your TikTok earnings.